Hey everyone, welcome back to Car System Installation. Today we have a brand new 2024 Toyota Sienna Hybrid in here. We've installed our PIN code anti-theft system, the IGLA. This vehicle is basically protected from any type of theft. The IGLA is protecting even from CAN communication. We've seen videos of customers that had the IGLA installed and the thieves that access the wheel well to the factory headlight got the connector there and were not able to create a key. But if somebody is able to boost your key or have a copy of your key, enter the vehicle, they still will not be able to drive away. Now we get asked many times, is the remote starter still functional? So let's test. I believe this car has a remote starter, so let's test this one. As we can see, the remote starter got triggered and the vehicle right now is running. We have the ready mode on, showing us the car is running, which means the remote starter is functional. You can warm up your car. And now in this vehicle, once you open the vehicle door, the vehicle shut down. Now I'm gonna enter the car. I have access, I have the key. I'm gonna press the push button and the brake. So I'm gonna turn on the light in here so you can see. I'm gonna press, you can see here, I'm gonna press the brake. Same time I'm gonna press the push button. As you can see, we do not have the ready mode. The vehicle does not start. And the reason is it's protected by our PIN code. I didn't authorize the system. Now I'm gonna enter the code that I created just for this video. The code will be changed by the customer and can be as many as 20 buttons. Many buttons are available in this car, from the steering wheel to the heating controls to the controls that are next to the gear shift. Everything is available. The code I've created right now, simple one. I'm gonna press this button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna get my confirmation. Once I have my confirmation, press the push button and the car is running. We see the ready mode, we can drive the vehicle. As you saw, I'm using the factory controls, so there's no way to follow a wiring or anything. There's nothing aftermarket in here that is visible. The PIN code system is available for a variety of cars. You can find us at Car System Installation. We also have dealers all over North America. If you want to protect your car, the IGLA PIN code anti-theft system is the best solution for your car. Find us and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.